Hey, you guys, and welcome back to another video. Once again, my name is Sean, and I am first for the owner of Pea Pie Creations. For today, I'm going to go ahead with part two of the series, which will be we're going to do Capri Suns. Capri Suns are really easy. We may actually be able to do Capri Suns and water bottle labels, just knock two of them out at one time. So let's go ahead and get started. What you're going to want to do is go to Elements, and you want to get a square. I'm going to keep the square red because I want it to still have the same kind of look. It may not be first for the whole background, but so we're going to go and we're going to go to positions. We're going to go to arrange. And then for the Capri Suns, the Capri Sun is 3.5 by 5. This also can work for Kool-Aid jammers as well. So it's pretty much the same. And so we will actually be able to do 4 of these. We're going to turn them the other way. But first, what I want to do is I want to make my first one. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate everything right here. So I'm going to hit my control, and select the images. I'm going to group it. Then I'm going to duplicate it. And when I duplicate it, I'm going to bring it down here. And do so like that. Oh, then I got to get my blurs, so bear with me. Once I get my blurs together, it's going to look right, I promise. We'll just put them to the back. Not that far back. And so sometimes you just have to be careful of what you're doing because you can easily mess up your images. Okay. And I actually want to take these two because I need them. I'm going to duplicate them. Shrink them to size. And I'm going to ungroup everything, and let's see, how did that do? We're going to duplicate and make them a little bit darker. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. And what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take these out. No, I'm going to keep them. Just trying to make sure that they are might need to make them just a tad bit more darker. Now this is very, very, it can be easy, especially once you get the hang of it. You'll be able to fix you'll be able to fix everything. That one, go in front. These. Well, let's move all these out the way. And so that will leave this one. And I want to duplicate it. Okay. So I can go right here and zoom out. But I got to line Raymond up some. I'm going to pull this in some too. And let's do the lines again. I really do kind of like that style. Is that one a pro? Okay. It is a pro. Let's go back. Let's find one that isn't Canva Pro. Oh, okay. This is a good one. I like the effect of it. So I'm going to stick with this design here. And I need for it to go to the bottom. It needs to be behind my images. Okay, and in all honesty, this is done. There's nothing else that you would have to do. All you have to do is just group it, turn it to the side 90 degrees. Take it. I'm going to zoom out just a little. You're just going to take it and duplicate it. Then you're going to get both of them and duplicate them as well. And just put them down. This makes not water bottles. This makes 4 Capri Suns. And however many, you want to do, all you have to do is just, that you have 4 on a page. And I'm going to put in text Capri Suns too. That way I know what this is. But you can always label it. And that is all you have to do to make the Capri Sun labels. So let's go ahead and we'll get started first for the water bottle labels. And yeah. All right. So we're going to go to elements. We're doing water bottle labels. Okay. So we're going to go to square. And what we're going to do after we get to the water bottle labels is we are going to make the width of the water bottle label is going to be 8.5. And we're going to do 2 for the height. And this is the water bottle label for a 16 ounce. It's 8.5 in width and then it's 2 in height. Or if you want to make them a little bit bigger, you can. You just put it down, but I don't want to do that. So this is why I like to put it in. See how it doesn't go all the way to 2. All right. So we have our water bottle label, and I think what I want to do for this is maybe Yeah, it's Raymond's graduation and we're proud of him, so we want Raymond's face on everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to positions, and I'm going to go from here and select all of this. And I'm going to duplicate it. I and then I'm gonna group it. Then I'm gonna turn it this way because this is how it's gonna look. One thing that we will need is a square as far as for the center. So let's go ahead and get another one. I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna make this white. I'm gonna make the center white. And I need to make it, as far as for the size, it is going to be 3 and the height is going to be 2. And you want it to be in the middle. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. I'm going to ungroup these and I am going to try to come up with something a little bit different. So I'm going to take this. And I think what I'm going to do is just make these be a part of the label that's going to go across. I do want to leave just a little bit of room because it is going to wrap around, so it's going to overlap. But then again, for this video, I think we'll be okay. All right, so I'm just going to duplicate it a couple more times. I think I did 4. So what I think I might do is I might just flip these horizontal, flip them horizontal. Yeah, that way this little line right here can go over just in case. And then I'm going to take the congratulations and I'm going to make it black. And I'm going to stretch it just a little bit like this. And then I'm going to grab all the images of Raymond and I'm going to put this up under here. So this is how it is going to look. I just want to make sure that it's lined up. And then I'm going to have Raymond, and I'm going to put Raymond name right here. And maybe, yeah, kind of want it right here. All right. So, so I told you as far as for with the Capri Sun and the water bottle labels, it was going to be a quick tutorial. All you want to do now is just group everything and then you just duplicate it. So you can make 3 water bottle labels going this way. And this is the 16-ounce water bottle labels. So you can do 3. I do have, far as for if you wanted to do like smaller water bottle labels, That would be, I want to say it'll be 8 by 1.5. 8 would be the width, and then the height would be 1.5, and then I'll make them smaller. But I really do like the water bottle labels this way. So I will put, let's use this one. Add a little bit of body text. And we're going to water bottle label. We'll just move it like this. And you know what? I'm going to put 16. 16 ounce water bottle label. All right. So that is all for part 2 um, of the party favors. So we have done the chip bag. One thing I did do first with this, I went back over and I made a outline of the words because it was kind of hard to see. So I made an outline of the word so you can be able to see it. You see right there, the shadow didn't do it, but whatever. We're going to keep on moving. And then we did, as far as for the Capri Suns and the water bottle labels. We are on a roll, and thank you for watching part 2 of this series of for graduation party favors. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at ppie_creations with a K. TikTok is ppie creations. And also, once again, just subscribe to my videos, to my channel so you can enjoy parts for videos. If you have any questions or if you want to see something else done, I will be more than happy to show you how to create. I do have silhouette studios because I do have a silhouette. I also do tumbler cups and so much more. But once again, thank you for just being here watching the video, and I hope that you have a great day.